Wilber Sargunaraj.
Aspetta bella, wait for me. Let's go together to the Cagliari.
Today we are going to talk a little bit about how to say the greetings in the Italian language. Now I am in the Cagliari, in the Sardegna, and we are going to learn how to say greetings and how to do, because it's very different. இங்க வந்து ரொம்ப வித்தியாசம் என்னன்னா how they greet வந்து முத்தம் கொடுப்பாங்க. They do the kissing. How to do the greetings in Italian?
Allora, come ci si saluta in italiano in Sardegna? Quando ci si vede?
Quando ci si vede si saluta, si dice ciao.
Sorry.
Hai detto di parlare più forte.
Sì.
Bene.
So
La domanda?
Allora, la domanda è come ci saluta in Sardegna o in Italia quando ci si vede?
Molto formalmente con un ciao.
is it
Ciao.
Ciao. Okay. But I see
Formale.
formal, very formal. But I see
Altrimenti buongiorno.
buongiorno. Okay. And then when
In
I
the morning.
see in the morning, buongiorno. Okay.
Oppure buonasera.
Buonasera.
In the
Okay,
evening.
in the evening. What is it when they do the I see many people doing the I'm sorry. I'm so
Oh,
sorry.
it's
I'm so
alright.
sorry. I'm so sorry.
This is typical Italian.
I'm sorry. How do you do typical Italian? How can when you do like this? Sorry, one moment. Some people they go like Italian. What is this? What is the meaning?
The meaning is, when you feel confident with a person, then it's not so formal, So if you know her or if she's a friend of friends and you just, then it's.
So I can do with a man. No problem.
Yeah, you can do it with a
no
man.
problem.
No problem.
Okay, very good. Okay. How can you say the bye bye in your language too? Say like tata.
Quando ci si lascia si dice asibiri.
Azibiri.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Typical Sardinian.
It's a typical Sardegnan.
Asibiri.
Asibiri. Asibiri from Mr. John-Luc Balfori, Bastian, I'm sorry. And from Mr. Wilber Sargunaraj in the Cagliari. Thank you very much. Ciao.
Asibiri.
Asibiri.
Wilber Sargunaraj.